Springfield at Valley 65 Antique Collectibles and Decor. Ron told me there's a lot of clocks in here. I'm not going to purchase any clocks that I'm aware of, but I just want to check them out.
You need to go back outside and get your phone?
No, I started my video from outside.
Oh, okay.
Nice Seth Thomas. Yeah, there's a few clocks in here, Ron.
That's a nice one. But I think that's a very collectible one. Nice.
Nice Hummel Bavarian one-day musical cuckoo clock. Double dial, Bristol calendar clock.
450.
And
I like this Ansonia.
yeah.
It's got 185 on that. That's really not too bad.
That's not a bad price.
No, it's not. Okay, Ben.
This violin clock,
Reproduction.
you're right, but they had one on eBay just the other day like it. I think it sold for a lot more than that, but I think it was the original.
Original ones are very collectible. I think this might be Glenn. I'm pretty sure this is Glenn Sanders.
They had this on GW the other day, and I was bidding on it, and I got outbid, but this is about what it sold on GW the other day, to include shipping.
Well, that's a different colored one. That's kind of cool. That's French, isn't it?
$50? Oh, that's why.
Somebody put a... No, the back's just missing.
It's a time-only clock. And feel how light it is. Missing the glass. That's still not a bad price for this clock.
I'm pretty sure this is Glenn's too. That would shine up really nice.
Yeah. Mark might have to be buying a clock. I like that clock. There's several that I like in here, but Mark ain't.
And sometimes you ask them if the seller number offers a discount. A lot of times they do.
Right. It's not that I need another clock in my house.
I don't know why, but I like the color of that. I don't normally like that color, but that looks good with that clock. With the color they did on the bezel and trim.
Gold colored clock. I like this one up here better myself.
I might still have one like that. There's usually great for some nice grandfather clocks out here.
Right. But Ron, I keep telling Ron every time I come up here, Ron, I'm tired of working on clocks. I want to go explore. So I was able to talk him into exploring today. But I told him when I get back, he can watch a movie and I'll work on clocks. Because I brought a movie for them to watch, something the Lord's made. And I just bought a clock that I have to go look at. That's a beautiful little bracket clock. Lynn's Kirch.
Sold.
$795.
$6.95.
$795.
Somebody kind of knows the value of their cloth. It's got two coil gong in it.
Yeah.
That's been serviced.
Turn around, Ron, so we can see the movement. I want to see the movement.
You can see it through the side.
Oh, yeah. That is beautiful. Dual gongs. Now, our group member Lisa just bought a clock the other day that has 3 gongs in it.
The keys inside.
Time to go look at more clocks.
This way here.
It's a huge place. This area, we just left a different flea market where I bought an antique glass for my grandfather clock for $5, a whole $5. Antique window. And Sonio, $175. That's a beautiful clock. Yeah. Is this a place that the Lincoln Pelters have a booth?
They're in Joplin.
Oh.
This way.
I see another parlor clock.
There's a Corbian.
Right.
$125. You kidding me?
Yeah.
That's missing parts.
Yeah.
The topper.
Yeah.
You can tell that's original glass. Oh, yeah, here's a nice grandfather.
What's that?
Here's a nice grandfather. It's not old, but it's beautiful.
It is a beautiful clock.
Sly.
And here's another one right here.
Yeah. I'm proud of Martin. What's 1750 on that one? They're 2400 on this one.
Wow.
Sly.
Wow. Ansonio. This is a nice looking Ansonio clock with
Oh, yeah?
what's Roman or Christian battle.
175 for that. But it's not a royal ball.
Right. A beautiful clock.
That color. I got one that color Royal Mark
Right?
on my nail. Oh, that was kind of cool.
Antique American Hamburger Walnut Company, $225.
Good and clean.
As a German movement, the Antique American Clock Company is a German company.
Great fact.
Babushka dolls, the Russian dolls,
Yeah.
$125. Wonder if it's a complete set.
You know what he had? He had, it was a political set.
Oh
It
yeah?
had all presidents.
Right?
And it had Hillary and
Uh-oh.
yeah,
I would have had to get rid of that one.
I would have
Ah, Ron, you missed this one.
Oh, I did. That's a reproduction.
Wall clock.
I had one like it.
$395. You can tell it's a reproduction by
Yeah.
the arrows for the winding
Yeah, I
stem.
can see 10 feet away as a reproduction. There's a cuckoo clock. $89.
They love it when I do this.
Yeah. Every now and then do that.
The cuckoo clock needs repaired. I know somebody that could repair it.
There's the Waltham pocket watch. Couple of Waltham.
$450 and $450. I need to bring my pocket watch up here, which is 21 jewels. That's all it to them.
Lamp's kind of cool.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I like this lamp and that lamp.
Yeah. Wow.
$975. Mid 1800s English double and loop for the pair. Howard Miller mantle clock. Westminster chimes, $395. They need to add. Sorry, not Westminster chimes. It's a triple chime clock, and that's what they need to add to that tag.
That's the bread.
Woohoo!
$4.
Ron thinking about his good old days.
Yeah.
Cuckoo clock, New Bellows.
Pretty good sound to it.
Yeah, it does. Ridgeway grandfather clock, $495. Westminster chimes.
Yeah, go for it.
Wish I had a bigger house. I don't know how to play a pump organ, but man, you can get those things free all the time.
Yeah, you can. Nobody wants to move them.
Right.
I've been to state sales where they give them.
I used to work with a guy back when I installed his internet. He knew how to repair pianos and stuff like that. Ron, look at this.
Wow. Ron. Got a Remington?
Charles Norton, $6,000. 20 of 40.
There's some kind of paper soul. Mark.
Vintage wall clock, $295.
Time only. I think. Yeah.
That's why.
Time only.
Minute line.
Time only.
Oh. Yeah.
Just got one
Yeah.
for you. Here's an old one. Second hand. Seth Thomas. $325.
So that's what I want Seth Langenpelter to do when he goes to the NAWCC March. And go around and show the clock and show the prices. $345 for this Seth Thomas. We've been here already. How you doing? I bet my sister would love this. Bunch of Indians riding horses. Warpath, $3,800. She should love it for that price. And this is something similar to this is what got me started in my collection. But mine is a dual case. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the tour. Leave me some comments. Give me a thumbs up. And God bless each and every one of you. I think I've been through this entire store already. Except for upstairs. Yeah, I'm not quite done yet. I had to show y'all this huge spirometer. This is the stuff that I could see in England all the time. Mercury, thermometer. These were, and if you collect clocks, generally, you have a barometer in your house, and I've got a couple barometers, not like this though. And there's your price. That is beautiful.
Isn't it? You know, it almost looks like forest.
It does.
Uh-huh.